Got 5 minutes? In this video, I'm going to show you 5 natural remedies you can make at home to help with colds, nausea, pain, digestion, and sleep, all using simple ingredients you probably already have. Welcome to Nature's Prescription. We share simple, safe, natural remedies that support your health and wellness. This video is for educational purposes only and not medical advice. Check the safety notes in the description if you're trying these for the first time. Let's get started. Remedy 1. Ginger for nausea. Ginger is one of the most effective natural ingredients for soothing nausea and calming the stomach. All you need is a thumb-sized piece of fresh ginger in hot water. Slice the ginger, steep it for a few minutes, and add a little lemon or honey if you like. Sip slowly to ease nausea and stomach discomfort. Remedy 2. Turmeric anti-inflammatory latte. Turmeric contains a powerful compound called curcumin, known for its anti-inflammatory benefits. To make a quick turmeric latte, mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric with warm milk or plant milk, a pinch of black pepper to help absorption, and a little honey for taste. This is great for easing mild aches and general inflammation. Remedy 3. Honey and lemon for coughs and sore throats. For colds, irritated throats, or mild coughs, honey and lemon are a simple and effective combination. Mix warm water with a spoon of honey and a squeeze of lemon. Honey coats the throat and provides soothing relief, while lemon offers vitamin C and freshness. Do not give honey to children under 1 year old. Remedy 4. Peppermint for digestion. Peppermint is excellent for easing bloating and indigestion. A simple peppermint tea can help relax the digestive muscles and support smoother digestion. Steep fresh or dried peppermint leaves in hot water and sip after meals to reduce discomfort. Remedy 5. Chamomile for better sleep. Chamomile is well known for its calming and sleep-supporting properties. Brew a warm cup of chamomile tea before bed to help relax your mind and body. This gentle herb can make it easier to fall asleep and unwind at the end of a long day. Let's quickly recap. Ginger helps with nausea. Turmeric supports inflammation relief. Honey and lemon soothe coughs and sore throats. Peppermint eases digestion. And chamomile helps with sleep and relaxation. Remember, these remedies are meant for mild, everyday symptoms. If symptoms are severe, persistent, or if you're taking medication, always check with a healthcare professional. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe to Nature's Prescription, and share this with someone who could use natural remedies in their daily routine. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.